How to change country in Google Play Store. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and as well as click on that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. Okay, so what we need to have in this tutorial is a VPN. So I have here a VPN called Turbo VPN. So let us set this up and you can follow how am I going to do this. So it is very simple. Just connect on the VPN. So this is how you connect. So as you can see here, I am connected in the United States. And after you are connected, what you need to do is go to your Play Store. Open up your Play Store. And once you are here, we must go to our account by clicking on that icon on the top. Go to Settings. Once you are in the settings, go to General and go to Accounts and Devices and Device Preferences. After that, you would wait for it to load. And then you could see here that it is now available to switch the United States Play Store. So that's how you switch your country. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching.